Everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be for people who are creators, like you write books, or for example you create a novel, articles which are fiction. These AI tools which I am going to show you today will be quite helpful for you. So for example, if you are staring at a blank page, feeling that creative block, or struggling to develop your compelling plots or characters, and maybe imagine a world where AI don't just assist you but truly inspires your next great story. So join with me as I'll demystify the process of using cutting edge AI tools to transform your ideas into narratives that resonate and enthrall. So the first AI tool which I want to show you is called as NovelCrafter. So this tool will help you create your next book or a novel or story which you want to make. So there are numerous tools on NovelCrafter which help you with your creativeness for your next story. So suppose you are facing the challenge of how to start my next story, how to start my next novel, then this tool is the best for you. As you can see, this is the main page once you log in and take a subscription on this website. As you can see, there are a lot of options. The first one being on the at the left top corner, called as Codex, where you can write and enter new entries of your character of the story, then the locations, objects, etc. Also on the left bottom side, you can see settings, prompts, export, and there are numerous options and tools for you to try and test out. As I am not someone who create a fictional story, so I don't know the best about this, but yeah, you can use this website and check out all the tools which are available for you, which will help you out in your next amazing story. So as you can see, there is Act 1 Departure. So this is your first scene of the story and the prologue. And yeah, so Codex actually, which is over here, acts like a dictionary, a Wikipedia of your all characters and content of your novel, your next novel or the story. See your work in a different light. The beginning, the first chapter. Plan out your story using AI. And also, you can share your multiple books or novels which are made on NovelCrafter. So you don't have to copy and paste your entire same information over and over again. And also there is one more important thing, that you can also invite your co-writers or friends to write the story with you. So you can simply use an invite a friend button and you can collaborate with others on your same story. And there are a lot of smart tools for you to try and test out. And also, the most important thing, you are not locked on a single AI tool. So, suppose you are using ChatGPT for your first chapter, and maybe you want to use another one, then you can just change ChatGPT to any of these listed models, maybe Gemini, Cloud, Mistral, etc. It's your choice. And you can discover more features which are available over here. And yeah, these are all the testimonials given by the people who have already used this AI tool. So this is literally made for writers by writers. So actually using NovelCrafter as a whole is not free. It is on you can get a free trial, and there is a pricing plan you can see over here. So the first plan being scribe, hobbyist, artisan, and specialist. So there are multiple plans from which you can choose one for yourself based on your needs. As you can see, all the four plans are compared for you, and you can choose which you want after using the free trial. And also, the free trial is for 21 days, so you can try and test out multiple features. So this was the first tool called as NovelCrafter. Now I'll show you another tool which is kind of same like NovelCrafter, but also gives a bit more features. So the name of this second AI tool is Sudowrite. So this is like try the AI writing tool with unparalleled story smarts. So Sudowrite is the non-judgmental AI writing partner you always wanted. Some of the testimonials given by some people, and here you are. So as per me, what I think is the UI on Sudoctor is more beginner friendly rather than the NovelCrafter one. As you can see on NovelCrafter, there are a lot of features on the single page itself, which can be confusing for someone who is trying to use it for the first time. So you can come over Sudowrite, and maybe if you like the UI of Sudowrite, then you can try and test this out. You can write a novel from start to finish in a week, of course using with AI. When words just not won't come out, right? When the words just won't come out, Write can do it for you. So Write is kind of a feature on Sudowrite which helps you write content for yourself on the for the story or the next chapter. I think so this quote is kind of a bit correct. As everyone knows, it's 10% writing and 90% editing. You could rewrite the same sentence 100 times, or you could make the computer do for you, like basically AI. So there is a rewrite feature which is super flexible, infinitely tenacious revision buddy who always takes directions and doesn't have a there you go. Well, that was quite a laugh. So uh yeah, so there are different types of features available on this AI tool too. You can just try and test it out, and you can plan before you start your story. For example, you already have an idea about which characters are going to be in your story. Then you can just craft those ideas, give it to this AI tool, give your outline, AI characters, like the characters description, and the AI will work out for you and create the characters for the story. And also you can brainstorm in this AI tool, which is quite impressive. Also, you can use the visualize feature where you can visualize your own character, which is pretty fun to do. Wow. So there are a bit of customizations too on this website, which you can do. AI 101, a deep dive on how Sudowrite writes 14,000 unique pieces of prose per day without plagiarizing. Nice. Some of the testimonials. Fall in love with writing all over again. So yeah, what I feel is, what my opinion here would be, try NovelCrafter, then Sudowrite, as both provide a free version, and just review the both and select whichever is best for you and which works out for you. So both of them have a pricing plan. I'll show you the pricing plan for Sudowrite. So it provides three different plans: hobby and student, which is the first plan. Second plan is professional, and the third plan is max. This three plan works on credits per month. So it means you get specific credits per month. So for the $10 plan, which is the hobby and student, you get 2,25,000 credits per month, and as shown on the different plans. But what I know is on NovelCrafter, you don't get credits per month, but it works on how much words you write per month. It is built on how much you write, how much words you write. It is not based on credits per month. It's like uh it is like how much you write, that much you have to pay. That is how it is on NovelCrafter. And the last one, which is completely free to use, is called as Raptor Write. This is the last third AI tool. So you can use this completely for free. What I know from this Raptor Write AI tool is that it is not as much complex as the first two ones, as it doesn't provide a lot of AI features. But this is for complete beginners who are getting into how to write stories, fictional stories, novels, etc. So you can log in using a account which you have already made, or if you are new on the website, you have to just click register for free. After you click on that, it will show you the introduction to AI basics for fiction writers. So this is for completely beginners or people who want to get into story writing. This AI tool is perfect for those, as it doesn't cost at all. You get access to Raptor Write completely for free, and there is no pricing option as it's free. And what I know that and one more thing, you get a curriculum for free. Like you can literally learn how to use AI for fiction writing, and some tips which are provided by Raptor Write itself. So I think Raptor Write is owned by Future Fiction Academy. So yeah, you can come over here, test out the free courses in story writing, and see how it goes for you. You can enroll completely for free. So yeah, that's all from my side. Kindly check out these three AI tools if you are someone who is a story writer or a content creator for fictional stories. These AI tools are going to be the best AI arsenal for you to write new stories with inspirations and ideas. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video.